When it comes to spreadsheets, data is the name of the game. Perhaps the very reason why spreadsheet applications are an essential tool in almost every org or every workplace is because of data. Simply put, the world has literally been formed because of how spreadsheets changed and quickened how we can view, edit, and make sense of our data. In this video, we're going to be talking about one of the simplest yet one of the most helpful native tools in Excel and in Google Sheets. We'll be talking about the sort tool. The sort tool is one of the most basic yet some of the most essential Excel tools that you can learn. Let's start with the basics. As the name implies, the sort tool in Excel allows you to sort a range of cells based off of a certain criteria that you will set. Meaning you can tell Excel to rearrange a certain row or column that can contain either text or numerical data from the highest to lowest and vice versa. Or even tell Excel to rearrange multiple rows and columns at the same time, giving a sort by priority. So, how do we do it? To sort a column in Excel, we first need to know where we can access the tool. In this example, we have a very simple list of random numbers from 1 to 10 and some phonetic alphabets. We want to sort each column by themselves in ascending order. First step is to select the column. To access the sort tool, we can look at 3 locations. The first is in the Home tab. In the editing group, select Sort and Filter, and from here, since we're just doing a simple ascending order sort, we can just click Sort Smallest to Largest. As we can see, the numbers are now in order. Another location where we can find the sort tool when we want to create a quick and simple sort of a column is in the right click. Simply select your column and everything you want to be sorted in it, then right-click and go down the list until you see Sort. From there, we can select Sort, Smallest to Largest, and there we go. We can also sort rows in Excel. It just requires an extra step. For this one, we're gonna want to set some custom sorting rules in the Custom Sort window. To open the Custom Sort window, we can go into the same Sort and Filter button in the Home tab and click on Custom Sort. We can right-click on our selection and in the Sort option, select Custom Sort. Or we can head over to the Data tab and in the Sort and Filter group, we can also select the Sort button. The Custom Sort window allows you to add special parameters to your sortations so you have more flexibility when sorting data. We can see here that for our selection, it's still kinda confused because it thinks we're sorting by columns. To change that, press Options and select Sort Left to Right. You can also tick this checkbox if you want the sortation to be case sensitive. Select the row you want to sort by and check the order if it's to your liking, then press OK. You now have a neatly sorted row which you can use for creating dashboards or maybe like a tracker for your different products or salespersons. As I mentioned earlier, you can also sort multiple columns at the same time. In this example, suppose we want to sort this table by status to see which tasks have the same status, and at the same time we want each department that owns the task to be sorted alphabetically too, for uniformity's sake. For this, we can use again the Custom Sort tool. So let's open that up by selecting our table and right-click, Sort and Custom Sort. How this tool works is it lets you add different sortation rules and lets you set which takes precedence over the other. In this example, we want to first sort by status. So first, we tell Excel that we want to sort by our task status first, and we can find that in column H, we want to sort on cell values and we want to order it from A to Z. Next, we need to tell Excel that after it sorts by status, it needs to sort the department next to the status alphabetically too. To do that, we click on Add Level and we see that it adds another line under the one we just made. And instead of saying sort by, it says then by. So we're telling Excel that, okay, first sort by this, then sort by that, so on and so forth. In the second level, we want to sort then by department, which is in column G, and sort on cell values and order it by A to Z as well. Click OK and we should see that in the task statuses, completed comes first, doing next, and not started last, which is correctly sorted in alphabetical order. Then, if we look at the department column, we can see that the correct department is still attached to the status, and for each status, the departments are arranged in alphabetical order. You can change the order of the levels by selecting a level in the custom sort window and moving them up or down a level using these arrow buttons. You can also copy levels to make quick work when sorting multiple columns. To delete a level, you can simply select a level and then press the delete level button. When you've got the sort and filter tabs added to your table by selecting the headers of your table and going into the Home tab and Sort and Filter and clicking on Filter, you can instantly sort each specific column in whatever order you like, or even sort the columns by color, which makes quick work of tables that have conditional formatting or colors in them. If you're running a recent version of Office 365, you can also opt to use the array formula sort. Make sure you're subscribed as we'll be making a video about that later on. The sort tool is a must-know for any Excel user, and with this basic tool, you can look through large datasets faster and create convenient dashboards for your reports. There's nothing more convenient though than just downloading an Excel template. Forgo the need to master Excel tools all by getting a template from simplesheets.co. With over 100 pre-built and smart templates, you can save hundreds of hours so you can have more time to sort out your life outside of spreadsheets. As always, if you found this video useful, please do leave us a like as it greatly helps out the channel, and make sure you're subscribed to Simple Sheets for more Excel and Google Sheets tips and templates. I'll see you on the next one.